Welcome to Top 10 Crypto News. The most popular crypto story today is Jack Dorsey spearheads new fund to defend Bitcoin developers against legal action. Former Twitter boss Jack Dorsey is helping to launch a new fund that will help defend Bitcoin developers against litigation. The fund will provide funding for outside counsel. In an email addressed to developers sent early on January 12th, Dorsey described the open source community as especially susceptible to legal pressure. The Bitcoin Legal Defense Fund, a non-profit entity, will aim to assist developers with legal disputes that might interrupt their work. He added, it will do this by helping to appoint defense counsels, devising defense strategies, and footing legal bills. The fund will be staffed by volunteers and part-time lawyers to begin with a board responsible for allocating its resources. The second most popular crypto story today is a tech founder born in the Soviet Union compared metaverse hype to the communist propaganda he experienced as a child. Phil Libin, Evernote's founder, discussed the metaverse on a recent podcast. He described the metaverse as spectacularly stupid. Among other things, Libin expressed deep skepticism of tech companies touting the metaverse and drew a comparison with his experience growing up in Leningrad, Nascent, Petersburg, Russia. No, all this stuff, all this stupid, useless, crappy stuff that exists right now. That's not the metaverse. VR is the thing that guarantees none of this will ever take off, because no one wants to spend any amount of time with a plastic thing strapped to their face, he said. The third most popular crypto story today is Ethereum reaches milestone. Over 9M Ether deposited in 2.0. Capital is aimed at gaining more exposure to Ether and securing the proof-of-stake network. The 9 million staked Ether represents 280,000 active validators building blocks. Decentralized staking providers tend to align with Ethereum health. More than 9 million Ether has been deposited in the Ethereum 2.0 deposit contract, equivalent to nearly $30 billion in capital at today's exchange rate. This capital is aimed at gaining more exposure to Ether and securing the proof-of-stake network. CoinDesk reported in its newsletter Valid Points. The amount of 9 million staked Ether represents 280,000 active validators building blocks, providing security, and ensuring network health. The figure grows at around 1% each week. The fourth most popular crypto story today is man sells 933 selfies as NFTs for $3 each, and the collection's now worth millions. Gozali, 22, from Indonesia, has become an overnight celebrity in the non-fungible token space after selling pictures of himself on OpenSea. Yet during the sale, a few NFT collectors piled in and it somehow became a meme. Gozali Everyday even cracked the top 40 on OpenSea's 24-hour trading volume rankings with a 72,000% gain in activity according to data from the NFT marketplace. A few hours ago, the floor rose to just shy of 1 ETH, putting the value of the collection at that time around $3 million. The interest in the Gozali collection is in keeping with the massive NFT trading volumes that has characterized the start of 2022. The fifth most popular crypto story today is Mark Cuban says this is the least important part of crypto for investors to focus on. When considering any cryptocurrency investment, billionaire investor Mark Cuban looks for utility in each project. Instead, Cuban sees smart contracts or collections of code that power decentralized applications and how they're used within projects as the most important use case. This also applies to everyday investors and what they should look for when considering investing in a crypto-related project too. Cuban tells CNBC Make It, always look for the utility, he says. The sixth most popular crypto story today is Iran to allow crypto payments for international trade. Iran is reportedly looking to unlock opportunities for importers and exporters to use crypto in international deals. We are finalizing a mechanism for operations of the system. He added that the government should not be ignoring the economic and business opportunities of the crypto industry, referring to major private cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. The Iranian government is reportedly preparing a mechanism to enable the use of cryptocurrencies in international trade. All economic actors can use these cryptocurrencies. The CBI did not immediately respond to Techino World's request for comment. The seventh most popular crypto story today is first Algorand GameFi platform Zone secures $2.30 in funding. The Zone team at last month's Formula One Grand Prix in Abu Dhabi. The latest funding was raised from investors in the cryptocurrency financing and launchpad spaces, including DAO Maker, GSR, Autonomy, Engine Starter, Super Launcher DAO, MH Ventures, ZBS Capital, Tag Ventures, and K300 Ventures, and brings the UAE-based Zone's total amount secured to $4.35. A notable example is the game Axie Infinity, where digital pets are bred and pitted against each other. The top 15 venture capital funds dedicated to gaming have almost $2.5 billion in assets under management, according to advisory firm Games One, and the gaming business existed without dedicated venture capital for the first 38 years. Institutional investors can see where the market is shifting, and this proves that Adi Misra, founder of Zone has been on the Algorand testnet, an alternative blockchain used for testing, since November. The eighth most popular crypto story today is IMF finally admits Bitcoin has evolved into an integral part of the digital asset revolution, but highlights new risks. The International Monetary Fund thinks Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have come to the fore of financial markets. Despite being an integral part of the revolution, the fund highlights key risks that the asset class poses to the economy. The IMF has been highly critical of El Salvador's Bitcoin adoption over the last few months. After years of downplaying the effects of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, the International Monetary Fund concedes that the asset class is no more on the fringes. The Post affirms that the asset class that was first launched in 2009 has grown to over $1 trillion in under 13 years, with millions around the globe investing in them. Countries that have launched their CBDCs include China, the Bahamas, and Nigeria, with others being at various stages of development. The ninth most popular crypto story today is Ethereum price gears up for explosive rally as buying activity accelerates. Ethereum buying activity has accelerated significantly over the past hour, coinciding with a spike in the price of the altcoin. Over 16,000 Ethereum tokens were bought within an hour. Earlier today, Ethereum price on track for rally with spike in accumulation buying activity has accelerated in the Ethereum network. Analysts at the crypto intelligence platform Into the Block have noted a spike in buying activity in the altcoin. Proponents believe that Ethereum price still outperforms Bitcoin since the asset hit its May 2021 top. ETH got totally oversold. Everyone gave up hope. And that is exactly when a big fat reversal candle smacks you right in the face. FX Street analysts believe that Ethereum price could rebound towards $4,000 in the current uptrend. The 10th most popular crypto story today is Cardano price analysis. ADA recovered to $1.20 as bullish momentum continues. The most recent Cardano price analysis is bullish for today as it shows favorable results for the buyers as the price has now recovered after a considerable decline in the past week. Today, an uptrend was observed once again as the price moved up to a $1.20 lower high. Cardano price analysis, recent developments, and further technical indications. The bulls have made a significant comeback yesterday and are continuing their lead for today as the price has further recovered today. The moving average value on the 4-hour chart is trading at the $1.17 level for now. The upper limit of the Bollinger Bands indicator is now at the $1.22 mark, representing resistance, whereas its lower limit is present at the $1.10 mark, representing the strongest support. The price is in the greener range despite the bearish activity seen recently, as overall, the price is on the increasing side for the day, indicating an upward trend for the market. If you enjoyed the top 10 crypto news stories today, then like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.